You can get a better understanding before installing. Cover the biggest slider. Cover the slider. Keep the flat side facing inwards until all the installation steps are completed. Cover the inner bottom sliders. Cover the inner top sliders. Adjust the orientation of the headphone arms until there is no gap between sliders. Twist in the lower screws first. Screw in the other 3 screws. Repeat the installation process for the other side. If your headphone arm is severely broken like this, there will be no place to secure the plastic part. You need to secure the plastic part to the headphone arm with a screw. Heat your card pin with a lighter. Be careful not to burn yourself. Align the plastic part with the headphone arm. Insert the pin into the hole on the plastic part. Rotate and push the pin to leave a positioning mark on the headphone arm. Remove the plastic part so you can see the mark more clearly. Before drilling a hole for the headphone arm again, please heat your pin. Align the plastic part with the headphone part. Tighten the screw.